Welcome back to AutoCar, your ultimate destination for everything happening in the automotive world, from global car launches and EV revolutions to deep dives into the latest technology and performance machines. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're exploring one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the all-new 2026 Audi A6, officially unveiled and ready to set a new benchmark in design, technology, and performance. The 2026 Audi A6 represents a complete evolution for the brand. Audi has reimagined the iconic executive sedan for the electrified era, blending elegance with innovation in a way that feels both futuristic and familiar. At first glance, the A6's design language has been sharpened to perfection. It carries a more sculpted and aerodynamic profile, emphasizing sportiness and sophistication. The signature single-frame grille now features a bolder, more seamless design with integrated sensors for advanced driver assistance systems. On either side, the ultra-slim digital matrix LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also display animated lighting sequences that give the car a striking personality on the road. The front bumper has been reworked with cleaner surfaces and sharper intakes for better airflow, while the hood's contour lines lead your eyes effortlessly to the new illuminated Audi logo. Along the sides, the 2026 A6 maintains its executive silhouette but with more athletic proportions. The lowered roofline, larger alloy wheel options, and chrome accents create a sense of power and precision. Around the rear, the car boasts OLED taillights with dynamic light signatures that stretch across the full width of the vehicle, perfectly complementing the modern, futuristic design theme. Inside, the transformation continues. The interior of the 2026 Audi A6 is a masterclass in minimalism, luxury, and advanced technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a stunning curved OLED display that stretches from the driver's side to the center console. This massive display integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment, powered by Audi's latest generation MMI system. The new software supports AI-based voice commands, real-time learning, and personalized driver profiles that automatically adjust settings like seat position, ambient lighting, and even driving modes based on who's behind the wheel. The dashboard layout is clean and futuristic, featuring premium materials such as fine wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and sustainable upholstery made from recycled fibers. The center console now includes a sleek touch-sensitive control panel that offers haptic feedback, reducing physical buttons and enhancing the minimalist appeal. Ambient lighting runs gracefully throughout the cabin, creating a lounge-like atmosphere during night drives. Comfort has always been a hallmark of the A6, and the 2026 model takes it even further. The front seats offer ventilation, massage functions, and enhanced bolstering for long-distance comfort, while the rear seats now come with more legroom and luxury amenities. Rear passengers can control their climate and entertainment settings through a dedicated touchscreen, turning the A6 into a mobile luxury lounge. The cabin also benefits from improved insulation and active noise cancellation, providing one of the quietest interiors in its class. When it comes to performance, Audi offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different markets and driving preferences. Buyers can choose between mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric variants. The all-electric version, known as the Audi A6 e-tron, is built on the advanced PPE platform shared with the upcoming Audi Q6 e-tron. It promises up to 700 kilometers of range on a single charge and can charge from 10% to 80% in just under 25 minutes using a 270 kilowatts fast charger. The dual-motor setup delivers instant torque and a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 4 seconds, making it as thrilling as it is efficient. Meanwhile, the hybrid variants combine Audi's refined turbocharged engines with 48-volt mild hybrid systems, offering smooth acceleration and improved fuel economy. Regardless of which version you choose, the 2026 A6 guarantees a refined, confident, and dynamic driving experience. Safety and driver assistance have also taken a leap forward. The A6 is equipped with Audi's latest suite of intelligent systems, including adaptive cruise assist, lane centering, predictive efficiency assistant, and even automated parking features. The car continuously monitors road conditions and can make micro-adjustments for optimal performance, comfort, and safety. The 2026 Audi A6 isn't just another luxury sedan, it's a statement of how Audi envisions the future of mobility. It combines timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable performance into one sophisticated package. From its illuminated grille to its whisper-quiet electric drivetrain, every element reflects precision engineering and attention to detail. So, what do you think about the all-new Audi A6? Has Audi once again set the standard for the executive luxury class? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Audi A6, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoCar for more in-depth coverage of the latest car launches, electric vehicle updates, and everything automotive.